Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you about amazing free AI tool that will help you create stunning videos within seconds. This tool is completely free, no need to worry about paid subscription. The name of this tool is CapCut. As we all know that CapCut is video editing tool, it now provide a lot of AI features, which include long video to short, batch edit your images, remove background, video upscaler, image upscaler, AI script to video. You have to write script in it. Will create video in seconds, then clips to video, AI characters, text to design. It will also create ads from URL, AI models, and more. Unlike other AI tools and softwares, CapCut provide all features for free. Best part is it is available for both mobile and PC. In this video we will use AI script to video feature. It is very simple. Paste the script on which you want to make video, or ask CapCut to write script. I have made my own script, so I will paste it. Stay connected till end. I will show you how you can create amazing videos from it. As it supports 3000 words means you can create 3 to 4 minutes video easily. Edit the script if you want. After that select the voice.
Hey guys, Jugaar.
Hey guys, Jugaar expert here. Today
I will go with energetic male, select the aspect ratio, click on generate and you are done. It will take few seconds to some minutes. As you can see that our video is generated, we can now keep it. Or make some changes to improve it. I will do some changes in it.
editing app arena, CapCut versus Filmora. Both are in. Hey guys, Jugaar expert.
After that you have complete the editing process. On the top right corner click on export. Change the name and select the quality settings for your video, and then click export. After exporting process is finished, your video will be automatically downloaded. In this way you can use free AI video editor that has a lot of amazing features. I hope this video will be helpful. Like, share and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more helpful and informative videos. If you have any question let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.